I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Redmi is unlocked and you're at the app interface you want to change. Once done, open recent apps, either press the square button or swipe up and hold, depending on your navigation mode. You do this because split screen is managed from the multitasking view. It won't be accessible from within a single app's full screen mode. Make sure you can see both split screen windows before moving to the next step. Now, focus on the split screen divider between the two apps. Slowly drag that black or gray bar toward the top or bottom edge until one app expands to full screen. This action closes the other app. Alternatively, tap the close X icon on one of the split windows if visible, and the remaining app will fill the display. If your Redmi uses gestures, you can swipe the smaller app off screen from recent apps to restore single app mode, which is effectively the same outcome. Finish by confirming the app now occupies the full display and navigation gestures or buttons behave normally. If the split screen remains or the divider is unresponsive, go to Settings and force stop the launcher or system UI, then reopen your home screen. This resets the multitasking overlay. Make sure to clear cache for the launcher if the problem recurs. If nothing helps, a quick reboot usually clears lingering UI states and restores normal single-app behavior on your Redmi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.